So once again, before we get started, and I promise this is the last video before we get started, I want to re-elaborate who this program is for. Of course, this program is for any athlete. It could be basketball or volleyball players or track and field or football. People who are looking to increase their vertical in their sport, but it's also for any trainer looking to increase the vertical of any of their players, or any coach looking to increase the vertical of anybody on their team. So I encourage you guys to share this with as many people as you can. Share it with your coaches, share it with your players, share it with your trainers, because the techniques and the concepts and the workouts that I'm about to show you, along with the nutrition plan and the supplements that I'm going to show you, they really do work, and you really will see increases in your vertical. As little as 2 weeks, you'll feel faster and you'll feel more explosive. And as long as 3 months into 4 months, 5 months, after a year of doing this, you'll be a completely different athlete. It'll make anyone an athletic player regardless of whatever sport that they're playing. So I encourage you once again to share this with them and share the knowledge that I'm going to share with you guys in these videos. So let's get started.